videos are not working. बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है, बहुत दिक्कतें फेस करनी पड़ रही है, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट the video is not getting any views. I am in sorrow, in pain. My expectations are crushed in a sense that I couldn't do the work. All the negative things has been going with me, and I am facing a lots and lots of rejections. Nothing is working out here. अभी कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रहा है. I want everybody to listen to me. I want everyone to at least reach to the video, to the thumbnail, title. As an artist, I feel depressed and I feel really bad that the videos I am putting my 100% and the videos are not working at all. Sometimes I get emotional, sometimes I feel like crying. But you know what? Do you think anyone can stop me from here? Do you think I will stop making videos? Do you even get an ounce of thinking that I can lose my expectations over this thing? Rolling. No, you can't. I will not stop making videos. I will be giving my 110% effort on this. Nobody can stop me from doing anything. This was the bait. This was the thing. What we do as an artist is a great form of art which we make. And to market all of this, we need to choose different ways. हमें अपना रास्ता बनाना होता है. कान ऐसे पकड़ा जाए या कान ऐसे पकड़ा जाए. At the end, people should listen to me in whatever form they want. I was making videos from the past 51 days in whatever way I thought I will make them, and I made quite well. We have been working our asses off for your attention, for your validation and your effort to improve your lifestyle. We are doing our best. We might look the same, we might talk the same, but the same is not the same you are seeing. It is different now. The kind of videos you will get will shock you, will crave you to work harder for yourself, not for everyone. The thing is, I want myself to be the best at it, and I will do it in whatever sense I can. We were just sitting across the table and discussing our thoughts out. On what? On expectations. The day is 52 and we are shooting it again. अब आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हो मुझसे? मैं नहीं जानता. I have not a sample size. I doesn't have anything. मैं सिर्फ एक ब्रॉड वे में चीज़ें सोचता हूँ और यहाँ आके बोलता हूँ. And from this video we will be changing my way to talk, my way to express things in whichever way you want. I want you to be hearing me, that's it. I don't want anything else. That's my formula of doing things. with expectations that you will see it, and whenever you see it, after 10 years, I don't care about that. I want the final thing for you to hear and to change your life, because I am changing mine. I am putting an extra effort to cinematic this, to do everything which will make you see this or make a curiosity to change your mind, to change your perspective towards things. सीधी सिंपल सी बात है, इसके अलावा यहाँ मेरा कोई मोटिव नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली आई वांट टू मेक मनी फ्रॉम दिस, ऑब्वियसली आई वांट टू डू ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स थ्रू दिस, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि मैं अपना जो कोर सेल्फ है, जो कोर लर्निंग्स है, वो हटा के कोई भी चीज़ यहाँ प्रमोट करने बैठ जाऊँ, विच आई डोंट फील इज राइट. सीधी सिंपल सी बात है कि हर चीज़ को करने का एक तरीका होता है. ऑल द आर्टिस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड यूज डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ methods to do whatever they want, but we are not the same. I am an half artist. I don't talk about all the art in the world. I talk about business and I talk about every other thing which is linked to art. And on the other side of the table, my friend who says कि art is art whether people see it or not, and you can't expect people to see it. And I say I expect people to see it, because I want them to be 110% alive in what they are doing. The doom scrolling is you do is literally shit. It's literal shit. मैं आपको ये बात कह सकता हूँ क्योंकि मैंने करी है. We talk about experiences here. हम यहाँ experiences के बारे में बात करते हैं, हम किसी भी बकचोदी के बारे में बात नहीं करते. ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है जो मैं यहाँ पैन आउट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. एंड इफ यू डोंट सी इट नाउ, आई डोंट केयर. आई वॉन्ट यू टू हियर इट वेन एवर यू ओपन दिस वीडियो, एंड नॉट जस्ट skip the video in 20, 30, 40 seconds, because it is not a bait. All the videos we were making was not a bait. It is just कि मुझे ये बात आप तक पहुंचानी है और मैं किसी भी तरीके से पहुंचा के रहूंगा. This is our motive. That's where we just shake hands कि ये तो करना ही है. आर्टिस्ट लोगों से सिर्फ एक इतनी सी मेरी अपील है कि don't try to make the art in a rigid way. Try to make it flexible so that people can stay. Sometimes we have to do the work which we don't want to do, but we do it regardless just because people want us to do that. That's the simple thing we are talking about. एक बार मुझे एक इंसिडेंट ऐसे याद आता है इंसिडेंट कि we were on a walk and we were sitting at some place. I saw two workers working down there and talking to each other. I told my friend at that time, he might recall it. I told my friend कि यार मेरे को उस बंदे के दिमाग तक पहुंचा. All those intellectuals calls themselves as intellectuals just because they can understand a thing, but they have never experienced that. ठीक है. I say कि यार मुझे उस बंदे के दिमाग तक पहुंचना है जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो बंदा वो एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है. I have no motive other than that. The way we can change the way. We can change how we talk, we can change why we talk, we can change how the things plan out. मैं इसको स्किट के वे में भी बोल सकता हूँ, मैं इसको एक नॉर्मली सिटिंग वाले वे में भी बोल सकता हूँ, मैं इसको स्टोरी टेलिंग के वे में भी बोल सकता हूँ. बट यू हैव टू लिसन टू इट. You have to take out your time and listen to me, because I am doing whatever you have done or whatever you will be doing. सीधी सिंपल सी चीज है. That's it. I don't want to say anything else. Signing off, Gaurav.